I'm Chelly, a career branding expert, and today I want to talk to you about how you can use change in the workplace to grow your personal brand. One thing we all know is that change is a constant in life and work. How you react to it will play a big part in how your supervisor or boss views your leadership abilities. We all like to think things will remain the same. We take comfort in doing things the same way over and over. When something happens to take that away, it doesn't feel good, and our first reaction is to resist. Take a minute and think about it from your boss's or CEO point of view. She's presenting a new policy or program and looks around and can tell everyone is uneasy or unwilling to give it a chance. How would that make you feel? Now imagine there's someone there asking questions, being curious about the potential outcomes, and reacts positively. That person will be the one the boss looks at favorably. When you try and approach the new with curiosity instead of anxiety, you'll be better off. Try to understand before you judge it to be a problem. There had to be a business reason for the decision. Can you ask someone about that? Ideally, that would have been part of the presentation, but we all know that doesn't happen all of the time. Think about what the impact it could have is. Who will it affect? When you take the time and thoughtfully dissect the change, you may find that it will actually be beneficial once it's fully implemented. Now, ask what role you can play in the successful implementation of the change. It might be something as small as not joining in on the negative gossip taking place in the break room. Or it could be your skills are needed to help your team fully implement the new process. Whatever it is, when you learn your role, it puts expectations into context and helps everyone successfully move forward. If you think it's a mistake, stop and think about it 24 hours before you say anything. If you sleep on it and it still feels the new process or policy could be a detriment to the company, schedule a time to discuss it with your supervisor. Make sure you come prepared to the meeting to offer a potential solution and approach the conversation respectfully. You could say something like, "You're concerned the change will cause X problem and have they thought about Y instead?" Make sure you have information to back up your position. But if they decide the change will stick, make sure you tell them you'll support the process if they truly feel it's for the betterment of the company. If you want more information on creating a career brand designed for success, check out chellyphillips.com and follow me on LinkedIn.